They are lying to you. They're telling you that using tired old techniques like therapy, medication, talking your feelings out, will eliminate depression from your life. Unfortunately, the so-called experts have it completely wrong. If you give me a minute or two of your time, I promise to show you how to start actually beating depression instead of just living with it. At the end of the video, I'll also tell you how you can take the whole process to the next level and start living a depression-free life. So the first thing experts will tell you is you can treat depression through medication, taking vitamins, drinking more water, exercising more, getting more sun exposure, etc. What do all these techniques have in common? They're all physical ways to treat a mental problem. While they can provide some temporary help, they're not going to do much to change your internal state, which is the problem. It's like trying to fix your hair by manipulating the reflection in the mirror, rather than fixing your actual hair. Why make things so difficult? Instead of making a 2 to 4% improvement in your mental state, why not turn the whole thing around by removing the negative emotions and thoughts from your psyche? The other thing people try to do to get depression under control is to start using positive thinking. Now, don't get me wrong, positive thinking is a big improvement over negative thinking. The problem is just laying positive thought over your old negative thoughts and feelings isn't going to make a huge difference. It's like having a messy house, and instead of cleaning it, you put some freshly cut flowers in a vase. Yes, your house is better, but it's far from being clean. Again, we're talking about an incremental improvement rather than turning the whole situation around. So what should we do instead to get rid of depression? While I can't completely beat your depression here, I can get you started. Try this. Instead of pushing your uncomfortable, depressing thoughts deeper into your psyche, let's give them some airtime. Now, welcome your uncomfortable, depressing feelings up, just for now. Welcome them up more, and more. Can you welcome the thoughts up just a little bit more? They are just feelings. They're not real, right? So just welcome them up. Now that you've welcomed them up, could you just drop them? Just drop them like it's a plate that's too hot. Just for now, could you drop the feelings? You can go back to feeling depressed in just a moment, but just for right now, why not drop the feelings? Remember, they are not real. If they are real, can you point them out to me? Show them to me. Go ahead and take a picture of them. Can you see that they're not real? They're just in your head. That's not to say they can't be hurtful, but they are ethereal, without substance. So if you agree that they're completely in your head, can you just for now go ahead and drop them? Just go over this process again and again. Welcome the crappy feelings up and then drop them, just for the moment. You can use this process and start chipping away at your depression immediately. But there is a way to take the process to the next level and start living a life free from depression and the crappy feelings it produces. It's a way to make the whole process faster and easier. If you are interested in beating depression forever, it's covered at this site, www.depressionconclusion.com. Thank you for listening.